How we doing, YouTube and my fellow traders? It's Bet on a Guy, and we are back. Yes, I'm back finally with another recap video. It's been a long couple of weeks, but as you know, I was actually in the process. I was transitioning over from sim funded accounts to live market trading account through my prop firm, and it finally got done. Finally got transitioned over. It's been a couple of weeks. I've had a couple days to kind of play around with the platform, take a couple of trades, and that's what I'm going to be showing you now. It's going to be the recap video for day 21 and day 22 of me trading in this new live market account. So before I switch over, appreciate all the new subs that I got while I was away. Appreciate a lot of the views. We got new views up in there. Appreciate it all. If you guys appreciate and love the recap videos that I put out going forward, I would really love it if you subscribe to the channel, yes, and leave some comments down below. Any questions that you have for me? Any questions about the trading market? Any questions about my strategies and so forth? I appreciate it all. Leave a comment down below. Leave any likes. It helps the channel a lot, and we gotta get this channel out there, guys. So any and all love, I would really appreciate it. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to the screens and show you guys what's new with the live market funded account. There it is. There it is. So, as you know, very different from the Tradovate platform that we were previously using. Now, because this is a live market account, it actually uses Rhythmic. I'm sure some of you have heard about Rhythmic. Sure, some of you haven't, but this is what the platform that is compatible with my prop firm. This is what they use going forward with the live funded accounts. It's going to be a Rhythmic connection through the live markets, as you know. It's a little bit older. I'm not going to lie. It's a little bit older design. It's a lot different than Tradovate. It's a little bit more primitive than what Tradovate can do. But because previously they were sim-funded accounts, it wasn't actually connected to the live market. Now you can earn payouts, obviously, through those sim-funded accounts, showing your prop firm that you can trade, right? Well, when they moved me over, this is the platform that they gave me. This is the Rhythmic Connection platform. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little like I said before, it's a very primitive. So not many features like Tradovate. It's very simple. I haven't even figured out how to move the screen here. This is all I can really show you for now for today's trading. And also we have the recap there at the bottom as far as what's been going on with the account itself. Now, I count day 21, day 22. This is going to be for both. I'm just going to kind of go over real quick what's been happening. The first day that I got this account was Wednesday, and it was bad. I didn't know what the heck I was doing with this platform. I knew I was going to have some trouble. I shouldn't even have traded that day. A lot of different things with this live market account. Number one, as far as the difference is this is going to be, I can request daily payouts if I want to. Number two, it's going to be a big one, right? It's going to be a big one. Many changes with this platform. Number two is going to be I'm not able to kind of scroll back, kind of widen my screen. At least I'm not sure for now, but I haven't been able to figure out how to do that. Hopefully, I'll be playing with this in the weekend coming up here. But yeah, it's very different. The drawdown's different. It actually is not a trailing drawdown anymore. That went away. It's actually switched to daily loss. There's a max daily loss that is with this live funded account now, live market funded account. So that's going to be a little bit different as far as integrating that into my trading strategy. The first day I traded, I hit that max loss. It was a minus 1500. Yeah, it was a red day. I'm not going to lie. It was a red day. Because it is a red day, I mean, I guess I can go ahead and mention it. I'm going to mention that. I don't really count that as a trading day per se that I want to put into the streak, only because it's my first day with this platform. Like technically, yes, it's a red day, but I didn't know what the heck I was doing with this. The order placing is very different. Just the view itself is very different. As you can see, yeah, very different, very primitive. Doesn't have a lot of features that Tradovate has. So we got to make do. We got to make do, right? But Thursday's trading and today's trading, which is Friday, April 4th. Green days. Back to my green day ways. The second day, actually, on Thursday, we actually had an $1,800 win. Yes, $1,800 win. I actually caught a 40-point move on the ES to the downside. As you know, the last couple of days, the market's been just horrible, right? All the gains we've we've gotten through the markets within the past year, they've been pretty much wiped out, right? Trump's been talking about the tariffs. He implemented more tariffs, just inflation. We had Powell speaking today. He mentioned inflation might be going up again, so they have to curb that a little bit. A lot of things that are bringing this market down. And yeah, I really just have been looking for shorts. I caught a really nice 40-point short on the ES with one contract. So that brought me up to plus 1800, close to 2 grand on that second day. So it kind of wiped out the losses that I incurred and got me into the green for yesterday for the first actual technical day of trading the account. So we were a couple $100 plus in the green side after yesterday. Another big thing with this account is live market data, because it is a live market account. You have to have all the data, right? When you're in sim funded accounts, that's all supplied to you. But when you're in live markets, you got to pay for that live market data. And they took that out. They're going to be taking that out every month. That's just how it is, right? To trade in live markets are very different. So that's going to be coming out of the live balance that I accrue, any profits that I accrue through this duration of having this live market account. So that came out yesterday. So going into today, I was still green, not by much, but I was still green. We had this crazy volatility again. We had Powell speaking. Just everything is it's crazy. It's crazy times right now. It's been about a year since we've seen these kind of levels that we're at. So obviously traders, investors, everybody's kind of freaking out. The market is going down. Guys, this is what happens, right? We've been going up for the last couple of years. We haven't been really down since around COVID. It's been 5 years now. So overall, the market is still up. Obviously, in the short term, everything that's going on, it's going to affect the markets, right? It's going to affect the volatility. And I'm not surprised we've been seeing red ever since the end of January, early February. The market's just been red. So within the last week, maybe 2 weeks or so, the volatility has picked up again. It's crazy times right now. So because I'm in a live market account, they have rules in place called price level limits, right? Anytime there's a 5%, 7% change, in either the overnight evening sessions, they could trigger what's called a circuit breaker halt, because it is a live account. Now, circuit breaker halts, if you're in trades, the market pretty much pauses, right? It gives activity time to catch up, right? Sometimes you see that in individual stocks, right? You have the volatility within a 5-minute range or what have you. When you're in the live markets, you have to be aware of that. Your trades are affected if that ever happens. So because we've been seeing this volatility, especially to the downside, we've been seeing 3% changes overnight. We've been seeing up to 5% change. Today we saw 5% change, over 5% change from yesterday's close. So because we're in a live market, they have an obligation, I want to say, to protect not only the prop firm's capital, but the trader's capital as well, because it is their money and we're just trading it, right? Trying to make some profit. So because of that, sometimes this live market accounts can be locked out. Depending on the prop firm that you use, those prop firms, they have certain rules, certain limits that kind of prohibit trading when it's so volatile. So this is what kind of we've been dealing with the last couple of days as well. Obviously, when you're in a sim funded, none of your orders hit the live markets, right? You're not actually trading in the live market. You're just trading off of the action, but you're not actually trading in the live market. So you don't have to worry about that volatility, the 5% change, the 10% change, the stoppage in markets. I will say, since I've been trading futures, I haven't seen a circuit breaker halt with the overall futures market, the indexes, but it doesn't mean it can happen, right? I'm not saying it can't happen. It's just a little rare. So prop firms, they, depending on which ones you're with, they take that into account and they operate as such. So kind of been trying to navigate that as well. I didn't take any trades during the New York session this morning, but as you can see, just very volatile. We had, what is that? 300 point move, over 300 points to the downside. That's crazy, guys. That's crazy. So anytime there's a 7%, 10%, 20% change, the markets can pause. If you're in a trade, you got to be careful, because when it opens up, whenever the markets decide to open up again, if you're in a circuit breaker halt, you could be 50 points down more. You could be 50 points up. Like, your profits could be gone. The account could be gone. It's just a lot of crazy things that can happen in the live account. So that's what I'm kind of doing, just as far as with these live accounts, I've been kind of a little bit cautious. At the same time, I'm trying to learn this platform as well. So yeah, guys, there's big changes, a lot to get used to. But hey, we roll, right? We roll, we do our thing, we get the green, and we get out. So yesterday, made that 1800, wiped out the previous day red. Today, I made 1100. I don't know if you can see it at the top left there. I can't scroll in, unfortunately, like I have been in the past with Tradeovate. I took a couple trades. I took a nice little short, for a couple points. Got that out of the way. Took a red trade long. I tried to go long. Don't ask me why. This is not the market to go long. Honestly, you should be looking for short setups, not financial advice. It's just I should be doing that. I actually took a little bit of a small loss there, gave back some profits, but the last trade I took got me into the green big time, up 1100. So we're going into next week. It's going to be like the first full week of trading this new platform. We got the whole rest of the month to build on. And there we go. That's what we got. We're up in this account here. We're up about 1,300 or so. Good start the last couple of days. Good start to just continuing to roll with this new live account. Continuing to build this account again, like I did in the past with those 100Ks. Thinking, don't take your profits, get out. Take your profits, get out. You don't got to overstay. Sure, the volatility is there with the markets. We've seen crazy 100-point moves to the upside and downside in a single day, within the ES even, which doesn't say again that it can't happen, but it's very rare. Just with this volatility, we have a good chance to just eat a piece of the pie, right? Just nibble on it. Just nibble on it. We don't need the whole move, right? 10 points, that's $1,000. So that's what I'm going to be doing going forward. I'm going to be, again, building up these accounts so I can go ahead in the future, take bigger size, make bigger gains, and get bigger payouts. That's the ultimate goal, right? So yeah, I'm going to end the video here with that. Again, appreciate you guys watching these recap videos. Hopefully we got some green days, more green days in the future. I know we will. Green days in the future, put those out. Red days, hopefully not mixed in there, but hey, you never know. All we can do is trade the action, trade our setups, and be disciplined, be patient, and we can get that green and ultimately go for that daily payout, actually. So more daily payouts. But yeah, I'm going to end that video there. Appreciate you guys watching. Again, sub to the channel if you appreciate all the content. Love you guys. It's the weekend. Take your mind off of trading for a day or two, right? Clear your mind, rest, get some sleep. That way we're all ready for next week and we're all ready to battle these markets together. So this is Bet on a Guy. Appreciate you guys, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.